Hi, I'm Jay from Family Handyman. I'm here to talk to you about some photos sent to us by some home inspectors that are truly nightmarish. Let's get started. Now, vinyl dryer vent hose is just wrong on so many levels, unless you're asking for a house fire. Please use a UL listed smoothbore dryer vent hose. Now, speaking of dryer vents, please clean them. You don't want yours looking like this one. Seriously. It's super easy to do, and it should be done on a regular basis. Just like Chris Carter's move to the Dolphins, this should never have happened. Look, if you have to dry your jersey on a water heater vent, maybe it's time to fix your dryer. Yes, covering the vent with duct tape did stop the cold air from coming in, but it also defeats the purpose of this vent, which is to keep the occupants from being asphyxiated. Let's add this to the list of furnace repairs. When copper and steel collide. It's called galvanic corrosion. It's not something you want. This can be avoided by connecting dissimilar materials the correct way. This is how not to add a lighting fixture to your room. I'm pretty sure this wiring is not going to pass inspection. Please wire your lights the right way. All right, at first glance, you may not see what's wrong with this picture, but this guy grounded to a plastic-coated gas pipe. Unless they change the rules, plastic is non-conductive. And why buy studs? I mean, this is a great use for all those scrap 2x4s. And, why hang a switch on a stud? Put it anywhere you want. Now, what on earth is supporting the tops of these stair stringers? The builder of these stairs could definitely benefit from reading a book on how to do it right. Hey, I'm not sure you've noticed, but your studs have completely rotted away, and stucco is not a structural component. You can fix this problem by sistering new studs to the wall, and even if you have problems with your floors, you can sister new floor joists too. Those are just a few of our favorite home inspection nightmare photos. Look for more of these at familyhandyman.com.